plan is for immigration?
Yeah, immigration is certainly a big issue right now.
Especially like sanctuary cities. Ideas on that.
So, you know, like what happens with sanctuary cities is that they basically prevent local law enforcement from working with ICE officials to basically do the job that we've been asking them to do, which is take people who are here illegally with criminal backgrounds, hold them, and then be able to have those deportation hearings, right? And that's not happening when you have mayors or cities, and, saying they're going to be sanctuary. And so, one of the solutions I think is what Geoff Sessions is talking about, the AG is financially, putting pressure on cities not to do that. And I think also making sure that legally we don't create a situation where local law enforcement doesn't feel that they can work with ICE officials. You've got a great Sheriff Tom Hodson, who's really been a big proponent of trying to make sure that the Sheriff's Department can work with ICE officials to have those criminal aliens held so that they can get that hearing and all that sort of thing. And illegal immigration obviously is costing jobs here in the city, in the state, across the country. They're working under the table, at lower rate wages that hurt them. And I want those people coming to this country to be processed legally. I just want them to do it the right way, that's all. So it's nothing about, there's no negative feeling, it's just let's get people, on the books.
And the whole democratic agenda seems to be taking the word illegal immigrant away and just calling them undocumented. This one's the real.
Well, Elizabeth Warren, is for open borders. She's not for a secure border. Obviously, she doesn't have she's okay with sanctuary cities, and that just goes against the rule of law in our country, which was voted on bipartisanly years ago to have these immigration laws. So yeah, no, that's a great question. So it'll be a strong proponent. In fact, up on Beacon Hill, I filed language to require Social Security numbers for state housing, because that's the federal requirement for housing. But they didn't want to have that for state housing. The whole goal for them is to flood the system in and have a lot of folks that will continue to vote one party, and at the same time, get a lot of benefits that we're not able to give to veterans that are coming back, other people that need that help. Keeps getting sucked away because people are coming here.
I think we could also tax putting slave down for that part in immigrants.
$1.8 billion. Yes, schools, housing. You probably see it in Fall River a lot. It's an issue. And the other thing too is we're not even talking about potential terrorism coming in illegally with terrorist ties, or even bringing drugs in the country. So those are public safety issues that are
being addressed really
beyond just money. Yeah.
Well, I'm so glad you're here. Thanks for coming out here.